Woodworking is more than just finishing a build. It's about achieving true precision, working in comfort, and creating something that truly reflects real craftsmanship. Yet many woodworkers still rely on worn-out or subpar tools, wasting valuable time and perfectly good materials. We know that frustration well. That's why we explored the latest advances in woodworking technology to bring you 10 tools that truly outshine everything else today. Following that is the Woodpecker's DF500 offset base system. This accessory is engineered specifically for use alongside the Festool domino joiner. It enables precise mortise placement near edges or corners that the standard base simply cannot access. The system comes with 3 bases, offering distinct offsets of 5mm, 10mm, and 20mm. These variations give woodworkers significantly greater flexibility when positioning joints. Each base is constructed from robust materials, capable of handling demanding workshop environments. What practical advantages does this system deliver? It expands what your domino joiner can accomplish, allowing you to create joints in locations that were previously problematic. Furniture makers tackling intricate designs will find this system particularly indispensable. It genuinely unlocks new creative possibilities within the realm of joinery. Next, we discuss one-handed bar clamps. These clamps are engineered for operation using a single hand, leaving your other hand available for positioning components. Multiple size options exist to accommodate different project requirements. Each clamp incorporates a quick release trigger that enables fast and easy removal. Non-marring pads shield your workpiece from dents or surface damage during clamping operations. The I-beam design delivers impressive strength while keeping the overall weight manageable. These clamps prove especially valuable during assembly work, requiring multiple pieces held simultaneously. They're capable of generating up to 300 pounds of clamping force for a reliably firm grip. Altogether, bar clamps strike an excellent balance between practicality and performance for woodworkers regardless of experience level. Starting things off is the Ox Large Door Clamp. This tool solves the frustrating problem of keeping doors steady while installing or repairing them. It accommodates doors measuring up to 2 inches thick and 48 inches wide. Rubber pads on the clamp protect door surfaces from scratches and scuffs. A quick release mechanism makes repositioning effortless. Woodworkers will appreciate this clamp most when hanging doors without assistance, since it completely eliminates the need for a second person. Its solid construction maintains stability throughout the entire installation process. Using this clamp leads to more accurate alignments and noticeably shorter door hanging times. Never underestimate how much a properly hung door contributes to the refined appearance of any finished space. Now let's discuss rotary burrs. These burrs are purpose-built for shaping and refining wood surfaces efficiently. Tungsten carbide teeth give them exceptional durability and strong material removal performance. Various shapes and sizes are available to address different shaping requirements. Compatible tools include angle grinders, die grinders, and flexible shaft machines. Cut saw burrs perform especially well for sculpting, carving, and smoothing irregular or curved surfaces. Both hardwood and softwood respond well to these burrs. Compared to traditional hand carving methods, these tools dramatically reduce the time required to complete shaping work. Woodworkers focused on artistic or custom-built projects will gain the most from incorporating these burrs. They deliver highly detailed shaping results with the speed and efficiency of power tool operation. The Milecraft MC300 functions as a versatile measuring instrument. It integrates a square, level, and protractor into a single compact device. Both imperial and metric measurement scales are included on the tool. Aluminum construction keeps the tool durable while preventing unnecessary heaviness. The MC300 handles angles spanning from 0 to 180 degrees, making it applicable across a wide range of woodworking situations. Its integrated level contributes an additional layer of measurement accuracy. Specifically speaking, newer woodworkers benefit enormously from this tool because it consolidates their toolkit considerably. Combining several functions means fewer individual tools to purchase, store, and carry around. The MC300 saves meaningful time while encouraging better precision throughout your woodworking work. The wood reciprocating blade is optimized for rapid, clean cuts through wood material. A specialized tooth geometry minimizes binding while improving overall cutting velocity. Carbide teeth on this blade maintain sharpness considerably longer than conventional blade alternatives. Compatibility extends across most reciprocating saw models currently sold. This blade performs exceptionally well during demolition work and rough carpentry applications. Embedded nails in wood can be cut through without inflicting meaningful damage on the teeth themselves. Reduced resistance during cutting also lessens physical strain throughout extended working sessions. The reciprocating blade is particularly beneficial for remodelers and construction professionals who cut wood regularly using reciprocating saws.
The folding pole saw is a highly portable cutting solution designed for working woodworkers. Its blade collapses safely into the handle, making storage and transportation completely worry-free. Aggressive teeth on the blade are optimized for fast, efficient cutting during the pole stroke. An ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue even during prolonged cutting sessions. Flush cuts and work within confined spaces are where this saw truly excels. The folding configuration allows it to slip conveniently into a tool belt or pocket. Softwoods and hardwoods are both handled effectively by this saw. Carpenters needing a dependable, adaptable cutting tool for job sites will find the folding pole saw an excellent addition. It brings handsaw level precision together with thoughtful modern convenience and improved safety.
Let's examine the duplex rebate plane more closely. This hand tool excels at cutting clean, accurate rebates in wood pieces. Two available blade positions make the plane equally accessible for both left-handed and right-handed woodworkers. The plane body consists of ductile cast iron, providing lasting durability under regular workshop use. An included fence guides straight cuts reliably, while a depth stop maintains consistent rebate depths throughout. Traditional woodworkers and those reproducing period-style furniture will particularly value this tool. The duplex rebate plane delivers a level of precise control that power tools frequently cannot replicate, making it especially appropriate for fine-tuning joinery fits. It combines genuine versatility with the deep satisfaction that accompanies handcrafted results. Coming up next is the miter angle tool. This instrument helps woodworkers accurately measure and transfer angles needed for miter cuts. Its measurement range covers angles from 0 to 180 degrees. A built-in pencil holder is included for directly marking measurements onto your workpiece. Construction combines durable plastic with metal inserts to maximize longevity. Installing trim and molding is where the Wolfcraft tool demonstrates its greatest value. Eliminating guesswork from angle measurements saves considerable time on every project. Both professional tradespeople and DIY homeowners working on improvement projects benefit from this tool. Greater accuracy in miter cuts naturally produces tighter joints and a noticeably more professional finished appearance. The miter angle tool offers a refreshingly straightforward answer to a very common woodworking problem.
Rounding out our list is the Log Wizard Debarker. This attachment connects directly to a chainsaw and efficiently removes bark from raw logs. Carbide teeth strip bark quickly and effectively without damaging the usable wood beneath. Beyond debarking, the Log Wizard also handles texturing and sculpting tasks on wood surfaces. Log home builders and rustic furniture creators will find this tool especially relevant to their work. The speed advantage it offers over manual debarking methods is substantial and immediately noticeable. Performance is reliable across both softwood and hardwood species. The Log Wizard helps woodworkers process raw logs for further use or incorporate them naturally into rustic design projects. It fills a very specific and important role within the broader range of wood preparation tools available. These woodworking tools represent the kind of innovative thinking that continues pushing the craft forward. Whether the task involves precise measurement, efficient cutting, or detailed shaping, each tool was selected because it meaningfully addresses a real workshop challenge. Adding these tools to your process can genuinely improve your efficiency, sharpen your accuracy, and elevate the final quality of whatever you build. Always remember that choosing